Morning Blazers. I just wanted to do a quick video tutorial. We've done this one before, but I thought it's a good idea to do a revised 2023 version for Windows 11. In this video I'm going to show you how to disable or turn off the user access control or user account control for Windows 11. This is slightly changed, or could be the same depending on how you want to turn it off or put it back on. Firstly, I'm going to just do it this way. Go into your search, type in UAC, and you can see it come up this way, and you go directly to that setting, and you can just toggle it all the way down or back up. I'm going to leave it on because I've got kids and I don't want them to come and do things that they're not supposed to be. So for me it's on. I know it's annoying, but it's a fail safe. The other way that you can get around to going to that setting is go into your control panel and then go into system and security, and then system security and maintenance, and then change user account control here. Click that and you've got the same window popping up. That's basically it. If you've got any questions, you can always send us an email, info@ampleblaze.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe, like our videos and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube. That's what we've got at the moment. Ample Blaze is what you should be looking at, and thank you for watching.